News that's coming in at the moment, it's superstar Shah Rukh Khan who has suffered injuries. Reports are coming in. Shah Rukh Khan has been injured during the shoot of his next film, King. Shah Rukh Khan has sustained back injuries. There was an action sequence that he was performing. During this action sequence, he's got hurt and has been injured. The injury, from what we understand, is not serious. Shah Rukh Khan is recovering well. King Khan has been advised to rest for a month. The shoot will likely resume from September. My colleague Sana Farzeen is now joining me on the story. Sana, this is unfortunate news coming in, but over the past many years, we have seen Shah Rukh Khan sustaining multiple injuries.
Absolutely, and Shah Rukh is known to do his own stunts, even though doctors have warned him multiple times. We've seen him undergo surgery in 2009, and then also in 2013, he's injured his shoulder. He's underwent a back surgery. But however, given the King Khan being the professional that he is, he likes doing his own stunt. And in the last couple of years, we are seeing him actually attempt a lot of action genres after Pathaan, Jawan, and now King. He's playing assassin in this movie, and he has a lot of extensive action sequences in this movie also lined up. He was shooting in Mumbai for one of the action sequences where he injured himself, although doctors have said that it's not a major injury. It's also an old injury that has kind of resurfaced after he attempted an action sequence. It's said to be a muscle injury. However, doctors have warned him to give complete rest to his body, so he's taken a 1 month off from shoot, and the shoot will likely begin in September. As of now, King Khan is traveling to UK with his family. He also had a Sri Lanka tour planned where he was planning to even meet his fans. However, that has also been postponed. The shooting of King was also set to kind of begin in Europe. He had a lot of car chase sequences, action sequences. India Today had actually exclusively reported about the action sequences a few months back. It was supposed to start in end of July with Shah Rukh and of course his daughter Suhana Khan, who is making his big screen debut with this film. They were all planning to have an extensive action sequences in Europe. There were car chase sequences that were planned, but as of now everything is on hold because King Khan is recovering. Of course, the news has kind of left his fans worried, who were actually anticipating to see him back in his action genre after Pathaan and Jawan. King is one film that actually a lot of fans are looking forward to, especially because it brings him back with Abhishek Bachchan, Rani Mukherjee, Jackie Shroff, Anil Kapoor. There's a huge mega cast. Jaideep Ahlawat is also there. His Pathaan co-star Deepika is also part of King. And of course, it's for the first time that Shah Rukh and Suhana will be sharing screen space in this Siddharth Anand movie.
Right.
However, as of now, the shoot is on hold, and in September, the shoot will begin.
Right, you know, Sana, you were also speaking about the fact that Shah Rukh Khan is not new to stunts, and unfortunately, we have seen over the course of the last 3 decades, he suffered injuries. In fact, Shah Rukh Khan, one of the most iconic scenes, he's running after the train, his shirt is on fire from the film Koila. So as you were rightly pointing out, we understand Shah Rukh Khan is the one who does his own stunts. If you can tell us, you know, from what we are understanding, he will start resuming the shoot in September, and the doctors at the moment are saying that this injury is not a serious one.
Absolutely, he went to US for a proper checkup. They didn't want to take any chances. For a precautionary checkup, Shah Rukh with his family moved to US to get his injury checked, because in the past few years, as we've been talking about, Shah Rukh has suffered multiple injuries. He even went through surgeries, and there was a time when during his back surgery he actually took an off. During Kal Ho Na Ho, he actually asked his filmmakers to replace him because he was in so much pain, and after the surgery his movement was restricted. However, everyone has faith in King Khan and the professional that he is. He just jumped back to work as soon as he healed himself, and right now also, even though it's a precautionary rest, but we are all sure that he will be back soon on screen.
Thank you, Sana, giving us all those details. At the moment, Shah Rukh Khan has suffered an injury during the shooting of the film King. The shooting will resume in September.